Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your phone and files. This is where success starts. First, confirm Android 8, 0 or newer and at least 3 GB free RAM so the emulator runs. Once done, enable unknown sources and install a file manager and Termux to control installations. Next, download a compatible Windows image and the emulator APK. Make sure you have 510 GB free. You do these now so the middle steps are smooth and fast. You now install and configure the emulator itself, which requires careful steps. Sideload the APK and grant storage and overlay permissions so the app can access the image. Install any helper plugins it requests. Then, use Termux or the file manager to extract the downloaded Windows image into the emulator's directory. Make sure file names match exactly. After that, configure CPU mode, disk size, and RAM allocation. This determines performance. So balance speed with available. You're at the final stage, boot and fine-tune. Start the emulator and watch the boot log. The first boot can take 10 minutes. Once Windows runs, install drivers or guest editions and adjust resolution and input settings for touch or mouse. Make sure to optimize power and background apps for stability. If something goes wrong, try this key troubleshooting tip. Recheck the image checksum, verify app permissions, and increase RAM allocation before repeating the boot process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.